What up, world? Boss Man Q here with Qkb Fitness, giving you guys combination of the day. Today's combination, make sure you get in your boxing stance. You're gonna start off with a cross, follow with a hook, cross again, uppercut. From the uppercut, you're gonna do a step slip, pivot, push off. Now once you cut that angle, you're gonna follow up with a double jab, cross. Roll out, cross. All right? So, we're going to go ahead and get somebody on board. Let's get it. Start off with a cross, hook, cross, uppercut. Boom. All right? Let's start with that. Ready? Slow. Boom, 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 boom. Good. Again. Boom, 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 boom. Good. Again. Boom, 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 boom. Good. One more time. Boom, 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 boom. Good. Now after that uppercut, whoop, take that step, slip, yep, pivot, follow up with a double jab, cross, yep. Step, whoop, good. Again, step, you forgot the uppercut, pivot, bang, good. Again, slow. Step, whoop, bang, good. Again, whoop, whoop. Hey, good. Combination with that cross. Boom, you're gonna roll out. As I throw my whoop, bang. Yep, that's how we gonna do it. Go. Boom, 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 whoop. Boom, 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 whoop. Hey, good. Let's go. Whoop. Hey, whoop, good. Again, whoop, whoop. Hey. Again, whoop, hey. Good. One more time. Whoop. Yeah, hey. There you have it, folks. Combination of the day. Cross, hook, cross, upper, step, slip, pivot, double jab, cross, roll out, cross. All right, guys, boss out. And remember, practice make permanent.